pictured I was driving home to you.
So ever since Olivia's driver's license has came out, everyone has been raving about it. It has been such a big hit. Everyone is going crazy and I am no different. I have been listening to it on repeat, and especially that bridge. Chef's kiss, it's too good. So the song is one thing, but I absolutely love the creative direction of the video. The use of projectors, the way they have used lights, be it the warm lights or the purple blue lights. It's beautiful, and I got highly inspired by it, and I was like, you know what? I want to recreate it, but the challenge will be the budget. This will be just a low budget using whatever I already have in my house. So now without any further ado, let's go. So let's start with location 1. Now this location is nothing fancy. I'm just gonna sit in my car. Thankfully I have my cousin brother helping me, and this scene is not difficult at all it needs is the cameraman needs to zoom in. So we are trying to incorporate some of our scenes. Let's see how it turns out. This, if you focus in here, like get in the back.
Alright.
And let's try this out. So we did end up taking a couple of other clips. Now the second location is an apartment area. This particular one had a nice path that we could use. So actually the scene that I wanted to recreate for this particular one had mountains in the background, and definitely we wouldn't be getting that anywhere in Lucknow. So this is the best substitute that we could find. There are trees in the back. So for this particular scene, in which I had to walk and the cameraman also had to walk along with me, since I did not have a gimbal. So instead of shooting with the DSLR, what we did is we used my phone, and usme we just switched on the stabilization mode, and that's it. I think the footage came out pretty smooth and pretty good. So now once we were done shooting that scene, we still had some time left on our hands. So we were like, why not try out some other variations, some other techniques? So in the original music video, this sort of a scene has been shot in the night time. What we did is we took a daytime twist on it, and yeah, this is the footage that we got. Now coming on to the third location slash scene, this one was supposed to be an easier one, since all you had to do was hang around at the back of the car. The scene that was supposed to be easy, fun, just hanging around, it was not, because the only balance that I had was on my lower back. So I had to hold the whole of my upper body and just hold it in a certain angle, certain position, and then also work on the expressions. It was extremely hard, and then the next day my neck, my shoulders, all the muscles were awfully sore, and it was just so bad. Luckily we only required 3 or 4 seconds footage of this scene, and that's the longest I could hold the expression and hold my body in that position. But I'm glad that the final footage came out bomb. So now to get that effect wherein my hair is flowing because of the wind, I just made my little cousin hold a hair dryer on the top speed and just blow it on my hair, so that it just looks like the wind is blowing through them. So now along with this scene, there was another scene that was shot in the car, in which Olivia is sitting on the front seat, she's driving, and the whole scene is beautifully lit with a purple light. So for the light, I just used my Galaxy projector. I took off the lid that had the star pattern on it, and I switched on the blue and the red lights, so together they formed the purple light. And we also sprayed some water on the windows, and it just gave such a beautiful dispersed water droplet effect. I feel that this definitely added onto that somber, sad vibe of the music. Now I have to admit that this scene was probably one of my favorite scenes from the music video, but the footage came out as shitty as it could have been. It's grainy, it's noisy, there's hardly any detail visible, and yeah, it's sad. I have nothing else to say. Now coming on to the fourth location slash scene, Now the scene that I was going to create in this one was actually जिसमें Olivia was standing under a street light. Now I really couldn't find a location like that which was like good enough to shoot. I just used my ring light. वो जितना ऊपर जा सकती थी, I stretched it up and it acted as a street light. Now just like the previous scene, this scene's footage was also badly lit. So it just came out dark and there wasn't a lot of detail in it. But thankfully, by tweaking a little bit here and there, I could save the footage and make it usable. So wait, let me just show you the comparison. After tweaking the exposure and a couple of things here and there, you can see that it is a little bit better. Now once this was done, I also had to shoot the close-up night footage. So that's what I did. I just acted sad, sang a few lines, and yeah, that was it. And I'm really happy with how the footage turned out of this scene. Now after this one, it was time to shoot the red projector scene. What I did is I set the projector on a stool. Once again, I took off the lid and then I switched on just the red light and then used a stencil scale that we used to use back in schools. Now this is a very low budget jugaad, but I think the footage came out pretty good. Now coming on to the last scene, it was a simple one. I just had to fall back and then the camera had to go along with me so that falling वाला effect आ जाए. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना था. It was a simple one but an important one because this is the scene from where the bridge starts. So this one had to be done the right way. Now that you have seen the behind the scenes, let's just mash them up, put on the music, color grade them and roll it up.
For them, 'cause they'll never know you the way that I do. Yeah, today I drove through the suburbs and pictured I was driving home to you. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Oh, and I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Red lights, stop signs, I still see your face in the white cars, front yards. Can't drive past the places we used to go to, 'cause you know I still love you, babe. Sidewalks we crossed, I still hear your voice in the traffic. We're laughing over all the noise. God, I'm so blue, no we're through, but you know I still love you, babe. I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one.
That was good, wasn't it? One gotta hype themselves. Anyways, I really hope that you guys liked this video. Please let me know in the comment section which part you liked or what you thought about this whole video. I would really love to know your thoughts. And also let me know if you would want me to make more of such videos. This video was really fun. It took a lot of time, a lot of efforts, but I am absolutely in love with the results. So let me know if you liked it too. And yes, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, I'll walk alone past that street.